Okay, welcome to a Christmas video. We're finally getting out of the house. To be honest, whoa, we're both wearing orange. This is a problem. To be honest, we are the family that takes forever to get out of the house. Because we're like, yeah, we're just bad. Wouldn't you agree, Eric? Yeah, it takes us way too long, and this is something we need to get better at. We are driving up to the little forest, the local forest right now, to harvest a Christmas tree. This is something we really wanted to do last year, but it didn't work out because of just circumstances, and this is our first time doing it, and I'm so excited. Definitely a little hike in the snow, definitely a little adventurous. Eric, are you humoring me, or are you excited as well?
It'll be fun.
It'll be fun. I have a whole Christmas day plan. My plan was to show you my morning. I wish I could vlog the way I used to, where I could just set up my camera and just show my whole day, because it's fun to film that way, but I am so freaking tired in the morning. You probably couldn't even recognize me, because I'm up all night. If you're out there and you have a baby who wakes you up every hour and you're like, what is going on? And it's very jarring, I am right there with you. Just know, waking up all night with a baby is okay, and there's very low expectations when it comes to sleeping through the night. We will work on that later. What I've been wanting to show you is my new ritual every morning. Have you guys heard of AG1? It's a foundational nutrition drink, and I love it, and they are sponsoring today's video, so thank you so much for sponsoring today's video, AG1. I need to insert a really wonderful ad right here. Insert ad for AG1, and then we'll be back to our Christmas vlog. AG1 is a daily foundational nutrition supplement that supports whole body health, and I've been drinking it every morning for the past couple months. I had heard about AG1 so many times, so I was really excited to give it a try, and I gotta say, I absolutely love it. I really trust this brand because they secure the purest sources they can find, and they have strict manufacturing and extensive testing processes. Essentially, they follow the gold standard when it comes to supplement testing, so you can learn more about that on their website. What I like about including AG1 into my daily routine is that in addition to my lifestyle choices, it further elevates my baseline health by supporting essential and universal needs my body has each day to thrive. From nutritional replenishment, stress management, gut optimization, and immune support. I really love the way it tastes. It kind of has a little pineapple flavor to it, and I love adding 1 or 2 ice cubes to it. One of my favorite benefits to AG1 is the gut health aspect. They have prebiotics and probiotics and digestive enzymes to support overall regularity and optimization of gut health. Possibly even more, I love the focus and energy benefit. It has magnesium and B vitamins, which support sustained energy throughout the day without a caffeine crash. And as a mom who has interrupted sleep every single night with a baby, this is super important to me. And I know during the holidays, it's really common to get out of our routines and make compromises with our lifestyle choices just because of all of the parties and the get-togethers, which is another reason I love keeping AG1 as this really simple habit I can do every day. I love the holidays so much, and I love making my health and my immune system a priority so I can stay really present with my friends and family. Think of it like AG1 is daily nutritional support to keep you reliably resilient all season long. So go to drinkag1.com/Hannah McNeely to get started on your order. And AG1 is going to give my community a free 1-year supply of AG1 vitamin D3 and K2 and 5 AG1 travel packs with your first purchase. Thank you so much to AG1 for sponsoring today's video. over there?
Oh.
What? So which of these trees do you like, Cosmo? Mommy likes this one. Should we get that one?
What about down there? This one's actually full.
That's beautiful.
It's too wide, probably.
Maybe too wide, yeah. This is harder than it looks to cut down your own
I don't think
tree.
it's harder than it looks. I think it's just as hard as it looks.
Yeah, love.
This one might work.
Ooh, think we found one.
Can we get this tree, Daddy?
That tree?
It's so little.
Which tree? Should we get that one? No.
Cute.
What do you think?
I think it's perfect.
Let's do it.
It's so cute.
Timber! Do you see him? Do you see those circles?
So now, Daddy must drag the tree. Oh, this is cute.
Why are you dragging it?
Gotta put it in our car and we're gonna take it home and decorate it. Should we put lights on it
Yeah.
and ornaments?
Oh, Christmas tree, how lovely are your branches. Oh, Christmas tree, how lovely are your branches. In beauty green will always grow through summer sun and winter snow. Oh, Christmas tree, how lovely are your branches. Oh, Christmas tree, your lights are bright.
Eric, how was that experience of cutting down our own Christmas tree? Are we city folk? We are
It was peaceful. Clean.
no mud. I like to be real on these vlogs, and I'll be real, and like, that was kind of a hard experience. Maybe we need to be more adventurous. I think that this is challenging us.
It was harder because of kids'
Yeah.
ages. It started snowing on us, which isn't awful, but happened.
I had a lot of fun. I think I went into it thinking like, all right, we're gonna be a little bit miserable. It's gonna be snowy, possibly muddy. We're gonna have children who will be children. Would you do it again? Because we
would.
were a little grumpy.
Earlier, I wouldn't have.
Well, yeah, Eric, we were just trying to find a place to park, and Eric was like, I am never doing this again. I was like, hold up. I mean, I would do it again,
I'd
especially.
totally do it again.
Yeah.
It'll be less overwhelming knowing like where to go and
Yeah. Have a little bit more of a plan. Now that we have our tree, we have to go home and decorate it, and I promised Cosmo we're gonna have some epic vegan hot chocolate with candy canes.
It came upon a midnight clear, that glorious song of old, from angels bending near the earth to touch their harps of gold.
Alright, we're just getting mobile, let's get the stuff that can't.
We are back home, and I promised Cosmo some vegan hot chocolate with marshmallows and whipped cream and candy canes, and it's gonna be nuts. This is a recipe from The First Mess, which is one of my favorite food blogs. You should definitely check her out.
I used to sit by my window on Christmas morning and watch the snow falling down by the fire get warm. I guess somewhere along the way things changed.
So which cup are you using?
This one.
You know, I got this one in high school in Bryan Head, Utah.
Until there was you. Until there was you. Yeah, you brought me back to the magic. Yeah, you brought me back. Yeah, I used to smile when I felt that cold wind, and I never thought I'd feel that way again. Until there was you.